Hello friends, how are you? I am Professor Ashok Roda. I shall teach you maths online for class 9th NCERT. Today we will do chapter 1 number system. Do you have NCERT book with you? If you don't have, you can download it from the Google and then study it. Open chapter 1 number system. We shall do today number system. Whenever you start doing maths, I always advise you to read the chapter first. We normally don't read the chapter, we just started doing the exercises. First of all, read the chapter, do the examples, and then do the exercises. We shall follow this procedure. Let's first read the chapter. Introduction. In your earlier classes, you have learned about the number line and how to represent various types of numbers on it. Just imagine you start from 0 and go on walking along this number line in the positive direction. As far as your eyes can see, there are numbers, numbers and numbers. So you have learned number line in your earlier classes, and in today's class we will learn different number systems. There are different number systems. Have you heard of natural numbers? Natural numbers starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. All these numbers are natural number. If you add 0 to it, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these numbers are whole numbers. We represent natural number with symbol N and represent whole numbers with symbol W. And on number line we can also see the negative numbers. The negative numbers and positive numbers make another number system that is called integers. Integers are denoted by Z symbol. So integer have positive as well as negative numbers like -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, 2, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some numbers can be represented in the form of P by Q, like 3 by 7, 2 by 9, etc. All these numbers are called rational numbers. So what is a rational number? A number R is called a rational number if it can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. For example, if you say -25, that can be written as -25 by 1. Here P is -25 and Q is 1. Therefore the rational numbers also include the natural numbers, whole number as well as integers. We will understand all these numbers through examples. You also know that the rational numbers do not have a unique representation in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. For example, 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 10 by 20 equal to 20 by 50 equal to 47 by 94 and so on. It means that you can represent 1 by 2 as 2 by 4 also. You can represent 2 by 4 as 10 by 20 also. These are equivalent rational numbers or fractions. However, when we say that P by Q is a rational number, or when we represent P by Q on the number line, we assume that Q not equal to 0 and P and Q have no common factors other than 1. It means, suppose the number is 1 by 2, it has P is 1, Q is 2. So there is no common factor between P and Q. P is 1, Q is 2. So these P and Q are called co-prime numbers. So on the number line among the infinitely many fractions equivalent to 1 by 2, it means there can be many fractions. When you calculate them, they will come to be 1 by 2. Like 60 by 120. You divide 120 by 60, it will be 1 by 2. So we will choose 1 by 2 to represent all of them. After this, we will do the examples. There is one more example. Example 2, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. We will also do this on blackboard. Examples are followed by exercise. First is the exercise 1.1. There are 4 questions in this exercise. We will do all these questions on blackboard. So let's do the examples. The first example is, are the following statements true or false? Give reasons. First, every whole number is a natural number. What is a whole number? Whole number begins with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. These are whole number. And what is a natural number? Natural number begins with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, every whole number is a natural number? No. So this is false, because what is the reason? What is the reason? The reason is 0 is not a natural number. That's why this is a false statement. Every whole number is not a natural number. Every integer is a rational number. Can every integer, suppose the integer is 7, is it a rational number? Yes, 7 can be represented with 7 by 1, because if you divide any number with 1, it will be the same. So every integer is a rational number. If it can be represented in the form of P by Q, and Q is not equal to 0, then it is a rational number. So every integer is a rational number. This is true. The third one, every rational number is an integer. Is every rational number? Suppose rational number is 3 by 7. Is this an integer? No. 3 by 7 is not an integer. It is a rational number. So this is again a false statement. Is it clear? So first one is false, because every whole number is not a natural number. 0 is not a natural number. Every integer is a rational number. Yes, this is true. Every integer can be represented in the rational form. Every rational number is an integer. No, this is false. Because 3 by 7 is not a rational, not an integer. It is a rational number but not an integer. Let's do example 2. The second example is find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are integer, and find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. With decimal you can easily find, you can say 1.2, 1.3, 1.9 like this. But how will you find the rational number between 1 and 2? There are many ways to do this. You can do in different ways. But I will tell you the simplest way. The simplest way is write here 1, write here 2. You want to find the rational number between 1 and 2. Multiply it by, say, you want to find 5 rational numbers. Right? Represent 1 by 1 into, right, multiply by 6 by 6. Because you want to find 5 number, write 6. Similarly, write 2 by 1 and multiply by 6 by 6. Same. You can multiply with same. Numerator and denominator could be the same, 6 by 6. Because if you cancel 6 by 6 by 6, it will be again 1. Similarly, here you cancel 6 by 6 and divide 2 by 1, it is 2. So we are finding the number between 1 and 2. So multiply 1 into 6 equal to 6, and 1 into 6 divide 6 by 6. It will come 2 into 6, 12, 6 into 1, 6. So you have to find the rational number between 6 by 6 and 12 by 6. It's very easy, right? 6 by 6. Then next, write the number increase by 1, 7 by 6. Then 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6, and 12 by 6. 7 by 6, this is the first step. Then second one is 8 by 6, third one is 9 by 6, fourth one is 10 by 6, and fifth one is 11 by 6. So these are 6 rational number. Answer is 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. These are between 1 and 2. How will you check it? Your answer is true. I tell you the simplest way. You divide 7 by 6. 76, 1, 6, come 1, then borrow 0, then 6.6.1, 6, 4. So it comes 1.1 like that. This is just you will learn decimal numbers later on, but you can find it whether your answer is okay or not. Similarly, if you divide 8 by 6, again it will come in decimal. So these numbers will be between 1 and 2. It is the simplest way to find a rational number between two numbers, like two natural number or two integers or two whole numbers. What is the another way? I tell you the another way. Another way is slightly difficult, but there is a way to find, which is given in your NCERT book, how you will find 1 and 2. You can do in this way. Write here 1 and write 2, add them 1 plus 2 and divide by 2. What will it become? It will become 3 by 2. This is the first number between 1 and 2. Divide by 2. Same, take another number, say 1, between 1 and 3 by 2. You can find, divide, add 1 with 3 by 2. Add 1 to 3 by 2. Like 1 by 1 you can write, and then divide the whole by 2. First calculate this. 2 into 1, 2. It will be 2. This you can do. Divide 2 by 2. Whatever will the quotient, multiply with 3. 2 by is 1, 2. 1 into 3, 3. So it will be 5 by 2. Now multiply this 5 by 2. Divide this 5 by 2 with again 2, like 1 by 2. So it will be 5 into 1, 5 by 4. This is another second number you have find. First is 3 by 2, then second is 5 by 4. This is a slightly difficult way, but you can do. Similarly, you can find a number between 5 by 4 and 2. 5 by 4 plus 2, we divide by 1, then it will be 5, 4 to 8, it will be 8, 5, 30, divide by 4, again divide by 2, means take half of this will be 13 by 8. This is third number. Is it clear? You are finding it difficult? Then the first method you can do, but this is the way. You can do in this way also. And how will you find another number? The 3 numbers you have find. Let's find one more number. Take say 13 by 8, then plus 2, calculate it, 1, this is 1, 2, 16, it will become 17 by 8, again 17 by 8, take it, divide by 2, it will be 17 by 16, that is also 17 by 16 is the fourth rational number between 1 and 2. Take one more, take 1 plus between 1 and say take 17 by 16, 17 by 16, between 1 and 17 by 16, take it 16, then it will be 16 plus 17, this is 33 by 16, and then divide by 2, 33 by 32, this is another natural number, another rational number, sorry, not natural number, 33 by 32, 33 by 32. So there can be infinite, many rational number between any two numbers. Basic is you take two number, add them and then divide by 2. You will find the one number between these two. So we have done two examples, now we will do the exercise.
Seriously, मतलब कुछ भी. अच्छा बताओ, निशोना बाबू ने थाना ठाया.
You see this guy? See this guy? Number one sleepless guy. She do the wee woo. हम रात को जाग जाग के पूरे शहर में चक्कर काट रहे हैं कि ये बाबू और सोना चैन से सो जाए, लेकिन ये अपना सोना छोड़ के अपनी सोना को खाना खिलाने लाग रही है. अरे कुछ तो रिस्पेक्ट कर लो हमारी.
Let's now do exercise 1.1. The first question is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P divided by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0? What is a rational number? Rational number can be represented in the form of P by Q. Is 0 a rational number? Let's see. Take 0, divide by 1. Take, what will be the answer? 0. If you divide 0 with anything, it will be 0. Take another 0, divide by 7. What will the answer? 0. 0 divided by 1, 3, 2, 9, 8. Again it will be 0. So whatever with any number, if you will divide, it is 0. And Q, this Q is not equal to 0. So answer is 0 a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number. Can you write in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are? Yes. So answers to both these question is yes. Let's do second question. The second question is find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. So we have to find 6 rational number. We will do with the first method as we did in the example, not with the second method, because the second method is a bit complicated one. So with first method, take the number 3 and then number 4. We want to find rational number between 3 and 4. How many rational numbers? 6. So we will take 3 divided by 1 and multiply by 7 by 7, because we have to find 6 rational numbers. Then 4 by 1 multiply by 7 by 7. What will be the answer? 3 into 7, 21 divided by 7. Similarly, 4 into 7, multiply 4 into 7, 28 divided by 7. If you divide 21 by 7, it will be 3. Divide 28 by 7, it would be 4. So we have to find the numbers between 3 and 4. So write 21 by 7, then 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7 and 28 by 7. So how many numbers we want to find? 6 numbers. But let's see how many we have find. 21 by 7, 22 by 7, one number, second, third, fourth is 25 by 7, fifth is 26 by 7 and sixth is 20. We have found 6 numbers between 3 and 4. 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. Is it very simple? So let's do the next question. Question 3 is find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. There are 2 rational numbers. Now we have to find the rational number between 2 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers. Earlier we have find rational number between 2 integers or 2 natural numbers. But now we are finding rational number between rational numbers, where denominator is same. Numerators are different, but denominator is same. Let's see how we will do. Write here 3 by 5. I will tell you very simple way to do this. How many numbers we have to find? 5. Multiply by 6 by 6. Here again multiply by 6 by 6. What will be the answer? 3 6 18, 5 6 13. Here 6 into 4 24, divide by 5 into 6 30. If you will cancel, then you will naturally find 3 by 5, like 30. You have multiplied by 6. Here 18 because you have multiplied by 6. Now write the number 18 by 30, 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30, 24 by 30. So how many numbers you have to find? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very simple. 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. All these rational numbers are between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So let's do the last question of this exercise. Last question of this exercise 1.1 is question 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons. To do these questions, we should know what is a natural number, what is a whole number, what is an integer and what is a rational number. If we know this definition, we can easily do this. First question is, every natural number is a whole number. What is a natural number? Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is a whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is every natural number is a whole number? Yes. Every natural number is a whole number. Whole number begins with 0 and natural number begins with 1. So this is a true statement. Second, every integer is a whole number. Integer are positive number as well as negative number. So whole number is not a negative number. It is only a positive number. So this is false. So every integer is not a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. What is a rational number? Like 2 by 3, 5 by 7. Is it a whole number? No. So this is again false. So that's all for today. We will do the next exercise exercise 1.2 in the next class. We will do example first and then we will do the exercise. I think this should be clear to you. You practice them and you will find it very easy. Maths is not a difficult subject. It is very easy to learn if concepts are clear and if you practice them. Do more and more practice. And finally, subscribe this Search News 24/7 channel so that, and also tap on the bell icon so you will get the notification when the next class will come. And please share this video too, because your friends may be studying in 9th class and they may be interested to join this class. And this class is totally free of cost. You have to pay nothing for this. Just go to the YouTube and join the class. Please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.
वाह, ये तो बहुत आसान हो गया। हाँ, बदलते वक्त के साथ बिजनेस करने का तरीका भी बदलना पड़ता है साहब। A to Z वेब इन्फोटेक सर्च कीजिए और पाइए अपनी वेबसाइट सबसे अच्छे दाम और असिस्टेंस के साथ। कॉल और व्हाट्सएप 9540809966 544875 वेबसाइट www.a2zwebinfotech.com